Hello, it's Creative Sarah again, and today we are going to do the Peace on Earth transfer with some fun wood cutouts for our greenery. First, I'm going to spray them with water and do a little whitewash. This is the quickest, easiest way to put a little surface color on your wood cutouts. It makes it really easy. It dries quickly because it's our chalk paste, not regular paint. So once I get that done, we just want to make sure to dry those. I'll use my quick dry tool to make sure that all of the chalk has been dried all over the top. And then we will get our transfer and get to chalking. Okay, so then I'm going to just grab my iPad. I have the My Light app on there so that I have like a white background. It gives a nice backlight so that I can line up my transfer and my woodcut. Now I did fuzz my transfer. You saw that. I'm just lining it up with everything, with the wood cutout so that I can chalk on it. I'm doing both of these at the same time so I can easily just kind of whip through the chalking part of this. So once I have it lined up, I'll remove my iPad and get to work. I have chosen Slate Rose and Forest to be my colors for this. I'm just going to go ahead and do all the greenery and forest as quick as I can because I don't want to take too long so that my chalk dries out on my transfer. Definitely do the bigger shapes first with your paste and leave those tiny little dots till the end. Oh, I have a fresh jar of paste here. So this Slate Rose is going on the little berries. This is our take on a modern Christmas color. Next, I will go ahead and peel and ooh, look how cute. All right, on to the bottom one. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Forest on the greenery. I am using my mini squeegee. Then we will do our Slate Rose, and I've grabbed my detail tool. It's got that nice tiny little squeegee at the bottom. And so I'm going to do the little berries with that and peel and reveal. And let's see how cute it is. Oh, there we go. I love it. All right, we have to dry these now. So let's get those dry. Oh, it's going to look so good on my double-sided box frame. It's our 9x12 size. Matches perfectly with our transfer. All right, so now I need to do those words in the middle. We're going to take our colors and just kind of go, I want Peace and Mercy will be our Slate Rose color, and the rest will be in our forest. So just kind of mixing and matching the colors as we go. These are going to show up a little darker on the actual surface of the board because it is a brown surface, not a white surface. So there will be a little bit of difference, but it looks so good. And that's all you really need for this because it has that embellishment and the cutouts. It's so cool. All right, so there are words. Next, I'm going to hot glue the wood cutouts on. Look how cute those are. Oh my goodness. I'm going to dry this a little bit. If you're new, go ahead and comment VIP and I will get you an invite into my free crafting group for more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. And if you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead and comment sample right in the comments and I will send you a link where you can grab a sample of our stuff and you'll love it. You'll get to try it out for yourself. Look how lovely. Thanks for watching.